Today we will discuss Etsy seller policies, documentation requirements, fees deductions, and terms and conditions to sell on Etsy. I'm sure after this video my viewers will understand the Etsy seller friendly policies, documentation requirements for Etsy seller account, and the deduction of the fees process as well. In this video, we are going to cover the questions such as what documents are required for an individual or a business account on Etsy, what documents are required to open a shop on Etsy, what are selling conditions on Etsy, what are Etsy fees and payments policy, etc. etc. So let's start without wasting more time. Before moving ahead, guys, I would request you to like and subscribe to Digitalboxes YouTube channel. Remember, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will be notified on every new video. It will motivate us to make more informative videos for you. Guys, there are two types of seller accounts on Etsy, individual and sole proprietors. First, I'm gonna explain to you what's the difference between individuals and sole proprietors. If you're a beginner and willing to start an online shop on Etsy, it is simple. You will be required basic details to start your online shop on Etsy. Simply, you can register with your active email address either through Gmail ID, Facebook ID, or Apple ID. But after a successful login, you will be required only basic details such as full name, date of birth, home address, bank account, and debit card details for incoming and outgoing payments. And a valid ID can be a driver license, a government issued photo ID, or a passport. For sellers outside the US, you will receive a small amount into your bank account from Etsy like $0.20 for verification purpose. After the verification process, you will be able to receive sales payments in your account. However, guys, you need to understand that all sole proprietors are individuals. Not all individuals are sole proprietors. Here the question is why? Because not all individuals own businesses. The term individual from legal perspective simply refers to an individual person with their own taxes, responsibilities, and liabilities. Guys, a sole proprietor is a single business owner of a business. Sole proprietors do not need to register their business with the state. There are not too many added complexities in handling taxes either. So setting up a sole proprietorship is considered one of the easiest way to start a business. A sole proprietor is a person who registered is an incorporated business that has just one owner who pays personal income tax on profit earned from the business. Guys, second option is business account or brand shop for Etsy seller. If you are a registered company owner with the state like private limited, SMC limited, so you will be eligible for Etsy business account where you can create your brand shop on Etsy. If you want to create a business account on Etsy, you will provide business details like incorporation number, company bank account, VAT, NTN, owner details, and contact details like phone numbers, email address, and company address. The process would be almost the same. Remember, it is necessary on Etsy that you will list a minimum 2-3 products during account creation. So you must have business details along with the product details which you will have finalized to list on your Etsy shop like images, videos, content, etc. etc. Here I would like to share few tips to stand your product in your target audience. Guys, first you need high definition product images. Recommended product images size for listing is 2000 pixels and resolution of 72 ppi. Product video can stand your product in the audience and will grab more attraction for your buyers. So I will recommend you create a short introduction video of your product. Guys, detailed text content that will explain product features, benefits, and how to use them. It is very important that your content should be well written and focused on the product benefits and remember the target audience. Let your reader imagine what it would be like to own your product. You can include reviews, testimonials in your product descriptions, lower rational barriers against persuasion techniques. When it comes to telling a story about your products, ask yourself, what are the benefits of your products? How was the product tested? And why buyers will purchase this product from you? Guys, you will provide product supplier details. You will provide the manufacturer, product supplier or a vendor details during the product listing. If it is a verified supplier, then would be better, otherwise you can provide details what you have. Prohibited items, services and items that violate Etsy intellectual property policies, these can be harmful to every seller. Always respect the intellectual property of others. If you feel someone has violated your intellectual property rights, there is a way to inform Etsy support instantly. Guys, remember, reselling is not allowed in the handmade category on Etsy. Reselling is only allowed in the vintage and craft supplier categories. Everything listed in Etsy handmade category must be made or designed by you. If you won't respect Etsy policies, it may suspend your selling activities on Etsy. Etsy may remove any listing that violate Etsy policies, and listing fees are non-refundable in this case. Etsy may also suspend to terminate your account for any violation. You are responsible for protecting buyers' personal information you receive or process. In case of any misuse of personal information, it can be extremely harmful to your Etsy shop. So you should be responsible to protect buyers' personal information. Your privacy policy must be compatible with Etsy terms of use policy. Guys, once your shop will be activated on Etsy, then you will be required to create refund and return policies for your customers. Guys, when you will add a product to your Etsy shop, you will be charged a listing fee of $0.20 for each product you published. The fee is automatically added to your payment account when you published an item in your Etsy shop. Guys, transaction fees are the fees Etsy collects when a customer purchases from your Etsy shop. Etsy will charge you for every sale on your Etsy shop. Etsy charges 5% of the total order amount in your designated listing currency. This fee applies to the total cost of the item, along with shipping and gift wrap if you charge your customer for those. You will see the charges itemized separately on your payment account. The transaction fees amount post automatically to your payment account. Payment processing fees are a set rate plus a percent of the total sale price of the item. This rate and percent vary by country. The fees are taken from the item's total sale price, including its shipping fees and any applicable sales tax. Payment processing fees are charged on each transaction that uses Etsy payments. These processing fees appear in your payment account and are deducted before deposit. They are in addition to Etsy transaction fees. If you issue a refund for a sale made through Etsy payments, your payment processing fee will be credited proportionally and applied to the refund amount. If you want to get further details about Etsy policies, under the description I have already provided an Etsy blog post link, so you will get detailed information about each topic. Guys, Etsy offers you to earn free listing. You just need to invite someone to become a seller on Etsy, and him/her must follow the process and complete it successfully. Guys, remember to send invitation only to those who don't have a seller account on Etsy. Simply, you will send an invitation through a unique link that will be provided by the Etsy referral program, and then someone will use that link to open their shop directly on Etsy. In this way, Etsy will give you rewards to earn a free listing if your invitation will convert into a seller account. So in this way, you can earn up to 40 free listings for your account. Under the description, you will get a direct link to join the referral program. Guys, here is another opportunity by Etsy for the sellers. EtsyHunt. Guys, Etsy offers you a community education program. You can join free virtual classes, workshops, and virtual events from experienced sellers in the Etsy community. You can connect with the experts to learn how to get your shop started, how to take your Etsy shop to the next level, how can you run ads for your Etsy shop, and many more topics available to grow your Etsy shop. Guys, it does not matter what your seller level is. You can join community education to improve your selling skills on Etsy. Under the description, you will get a direct link to join the community education program. Etsy Affiliate. Guys, Etsy offers you affiliate program as well, where you can start to earn money to promote Etsy products and other Etsy content like articles, events, etc. etc. You will just promote products and other content on your third-party sites, and each successful sale will make your profit. You can earn a commission on each qualifying sale excluding tax, delivery returns, and cancellations. Etsy affiliates receive a commission to their account within 30 days period. Once you will have an approved affiliate account, you will be able to access material under your affiliate dashboard like banners, various categories of products, themes, etc. etc. If you want to sign up affiliate account, you can join through the given link under the description. You can send us comment to get our help in case of any issue. Thank you.